Libra, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 21st of March. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now while I shuffle the cards here, Libra, please note that tarot should always be used as a guide. Okay, so only take what resonates and please leave the rest. Now let's see what we have for you this particular week. We see that you have the Seven of Swords, the King of Swords and the Magician energy. Your person has the Star card, the High Priestess and the Ace of Wands. Bottom of the deck, I have the Hermit card. So either you or your person is currently in solitude. You want to, spend some time alone and think through things before you take any step forward. Okay. Now what I'm seeing is you have the Seven of Swords, so there could be something deceptive that you may have done or you are about to do. Okay, that's the energy that I see. And with that, I also see that eventually you will also go ahead and understand that what you have done is something that is going to very badly affect this relationship, and that's where you will move into the King of Swords energy, where you want to have that conversation with your person. Okay, now it could be that either you are doing it or this is something that has happened to you. Okay, or it's about to happen this particular week. Now I also see that you will also have the Magician energy this week. Okay, and with that, so once you get to know about what has happened, if there is something deceptive that has happened and you get to know about it, you will go ahead and command the universe, because I see that you will go ahead and either take a step forward where you want to just get out of this relationship. Okay, and you want to command the universe to make things work for you, and that's in your favor. All right, now your person currently has the Star card, and that's the Aquarius energy. With that, this person definitely sees you as a wish fulfillment. Okay, but there is this High Priestess card that they have. The High Priestess is somebody who already knows, so it's like somebody who already knows. So don't go by the gender, it could be a he or a she, but this person already has this very inkling feeling that there's some secret, there's something that you're not telling her. Okay, so that's the energy that this person is already in. And they also have the Ace of Wands. With the Ace of Wands, once the secret comes out, okay, what I see is this person will move into the Ace of Wands, where they want to have a love or a relationship with you, or maybe with somebody else, but that's totally based on the physical aspect of the relationship. I don't see emotions here. I don't see any cups card here in this particular spread. So it's all swords, and we have major arcanas, and the other one is this wand energy. So the emotional connection that two people should have, that's currently missing, is what I see here. Now let's take one card here to understand what is the intention of this person for you this particular week. Let's take one card. All right, the intention here is the Five of Pentacles. With the Five of Pentacles, there will be a point where this person will walk away because they'll feel that they have been left out in the cold. Okay, so if you do something here, okay, and you think that this person will not get to know about it, no, that's not the case. They will know about it because they already have a very inkling feeling about it. And once that happens, they will feel so betrayed, and they'll feel hurt, that they'll go through this energy where they'll feel that you just left them. Okay, you didn't even consider how it feels to go through this pain. So they'll feel really bad is what I'm seeing here. Let's take one more card. All right, we have the Justice card. Once that is done, you can expect justice. Now whoever is doing the wrong here, okay, because one person definitely is, so whoever is doing the wrong here, please understand that justice will come. Okay, because once the Justice card comes out, it means that whoever is acting smart, is trying to deceive the other, this person will have to go through their own phase where they will learn that you can't go about fooling people and hurting people like this. So that's a lesson that they will learn, and that's where justice comes into picture. Now let's take one more card here. Alright, that's the Fool card. Once this person walks away, they will move into a totally different direction, and that's the Fool or the Aries energy that they have, and they'll not look back. Okay, so I would suggest that you think through things because if this person gets to know what has happened, they will not stick around is what I'm seeing here. Let's go ahead and take one more card, which is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So let me just take one more card here. All right, the crystal that I see for you is the brown agate. Okay, the crystal message is, are you spending time in nature? How does your garden grow? Whether you live in a small city, apartment, or an expensive farm, you can always find a way to establish your roots in the earth and nature. Use the negative ions of the mountain, sea, or air for your overall well being. Now, the crystal message here is from Archangel Thuriel, which I will go ahead and put in the description box. You can read it from there. That's all I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and till the next video, stay safe and love yourself first.